How to find the Facebook business account ID in Meta Business Suite. Hello and welcome back. If you guys also wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So you can head over to Meta Business Suite directly, business.facebook.com, and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you will be finding this particular interface. Now from here, look out for the settings icon and open it up. Click on it to open up your settings, and you will be finding your settings. And what you need to do next is look out for the business info, business portfolio info, this one right here. And when you do, there you go. This is the ID you may be looking for. So you may also follow up the same process. It is pretty quick and easy. Go ahead and access your Meta Business Suite, settings, and then business info. And there you will be finding all of your portfolio info directly. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to do, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.